Hello everyone! My name is Masaki Inoue and I am president of Sakura Seisakusho company. This time, I'm going to introduce our Hi-evaorator. Hi-evaorator is an apparatus used to make liquid materials into thin film and separates the liquid by a dispersion rotor. And what is amazing is that a single unit of apparatus can make the change from liquid to solid by a single process. Okay, so let's look at the structure and features of Hi-evaorator. A. Drive motor that rotates the axle. B. Upper bearing to receive the axle. C. Double mechanical seal to separate the inside and outside of Hi-evaorator. D. Steam separation chamber through which heated steam passes. E. Heating surface with a jacket structure. F. Lower bearing to stabilize the fluctuation of the axle. G. Axle. H. Dispersion rotor that is attached to the rotor. The liquid to be treated hits the surface of dispersion rotor and gets sprinkled to the wall surface by a centrifugal power and then forms a thin layer. I. Non-contact type movable blades. It forms a thin layer and scrapes the solidified properties off. These blades are the utmost features of Hi-evaorator. As an example, let's check the wastewater treatment of the paint line. On car painting lines, there often require changing of the paint colors. For that is necessary to wash the machines and equipment with a large volume of waste liquid each time. The machines and equipment must be washed with solvents such as a thinner, and then a large amount of liquid is wasted. The waste liquid was so far treated by the batch distillation equipment. But this method had a lot of issues such as an unpleasant smell, high cost to treat the large volume of waste liquid, and various administrative affairs. But when we use Hi-evaorator, okay, let's look at the flow of treatment liquid. 1. While dropping with its own weight, using the function of blades, it is made into a thin film. 2. The material becomes thicker as it continues evaporating. The evaporates are collected by the condenser. 3. Remaining condensed powder is then scraped off by the blades. Using Hi-evaorator brings the following advantages. 1. The rate of solvent recovery is largely improved. 2. The occurrence of residue is reduced by half, and the cost of its treatment is also reduced drastically. 3. Thanks to the totally closed structure, it becomes completely free of unpleasant smell. 4. Because of the excellent capability of vaporization and good heat efficiency of the machine, vapor consumption becomes lower. Finally, let me show you some examples of Hi-evaorator usage. In addition to the waste liquid treatment, Hi-evaorator is used for condensing of molasses, condensing of keratin, dehydrating glycerin, and so on. Thank you for your attention.